So here is my Kubota B7001 tractor, 3-cylinder diesel. It's time for its oil change, so I'll start it up and drive it into the garage. There's a few customizations being done. It hasn't started run for about 2 months, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, it's in neutral. That one needs a bit there. So now we wait. You can see it's starting to glow inside. It's 10 degrees inside here, Celsius. Okay, that should hopefully do it. It's sounding a bit sad. I'll probably just use the decompression lever to get a bit more spinning, and then just drop it in. Guess I have to glow it a bit more. Okay. It's not a good sign. I did put the battery on charge a few days ago, so the battery should be fine. I just think the tractor doesn't like the cold much. Now we walk around in order to put it into the garage where I've got a lot more space to work on it and it's a lot brighter.